Good morning, dears. You have asked doubts from exercise 9b, question number 7.5. It is a subtraction of algebraic expression. The question is 5m plus 4n from 5m plus 4n from 3n minus 2n. Now we have to write first this. So we are writing 3n minus 2m. Now we have to subtract this. So we have to write the like terms. So we can arrange the order. We can change the order. In down of 3n I have to write 4n because I cannot subtract unlike terms. And down of 2m I have to write 5m. Since 4n has plus sign, so I have written 4n. And 5n has also plus sign, so I have written plus sign. Now it is a subtraction, so all the signs will get changed. So the answer gives you minus 4n plus 3n minus 1. And both are minus, so minus 7m. This would be the answer for number 5. Look at question number 8. You have asked. That is 5ab minus bc minus 2ca from minus 6ca minus 5ab and minus 3bc. So first we have to write this minus 6ca. See dear, is orders are different, doesn't matter. We will arrange according to us. Is it? Down of CA, I will be writing CA only. So it was minus 2CA. So we will be writing minus 2CA down of minus 6CA. Minus 5AB. Then we have here plus 5AB. So we will be writing plus 5AB down. Minus 3BC. Or here we have minus BC. So we will write BC down of minus 3BC. I understood that you have doubts with the arrangement sequence. Does not matter that we will arrange. We can arrange it. Doesn't matter. Repeatedly I am telling you. It doesn't matter. Now subtraction, all the sign will get changed. It was minus, it will turn into plus. It was plus, it will turn into minus. It was minus, it will also turn into plus. Now minus 6 plus 2. That gives you minus 4CA. Minus 5 minus 5. That gives you minus 10AB. Minus 3 plus 1. That gives you minus 2BC. This order can be written anyhow. You should not be confused with the order. Okay, dear. Then the next question you have asked, that is question number 8. From the sum of A plus 4B minus 7C and 4A minus 3B minus 5C, subtract 2A minus 3B minus C. Now first of all, we'll get sum of the numbers of the expressions given to us. The 7 is done. Look at question number 8. We'll find the sum of A plus 4B minus 7C and 4A minus 3B minus 5C. So we'll add this to A plus 4A, 5A plus 4 minus 3, so plus B minus 12C. According to the question, 2A minus 3B minus C is subtracted from the sum. So required answer is 5A plus B minus 12C, 2A minus 3B minus C. We'll just subtract it. So sign will get changed. 3A, 4B and minus 11c is the answer. Clear? Please write it. Apart from this, I was thinking that we should revise once again the fractions and decimals. Okay. So, as you know, we have different types of fractions, that is proper, improper, mixed, like, unlike, equivalent, etc. Now, we have to add the fraction. We have to convert it into like terms, like fractions. We cannot add unlike fractions. Clear? We should have a group of like fractions, then only we can add. Just example you can see. If you have to add fractions, once again I am saying you addition and subtraction. Addition, this is first is addition. 2 by 5 plus 3 by 7 plus 5 or 2 by 3. We can see this, all the 5 3s are 15 to 17 by 3. They are in unlike term. We cannot add it up. You cannot add 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 7 plus 5, 12. No. We have to convert these fractions into like term. So what we have to do? We have to get the denominators of LCM. Sorry, LCM of denominators. Why? We know in the like term denominators should be equal. So we have to make these denominators equal. How to make it equal? We have to get a common multiple, a common number which is divisible by this all three. Is all. Nothing can be all or odd. We cannot get a common factor for this. So what we are going to do? We are going to multiply it. 5 3s are 15, 7s are 105. So this will be the LCM. Now we have to write the LCM here. 105. Now 5. How much is 105? 5 21 is 105. So 2 would be multiplied with 21 plus 7 15 is 105. So 3 would be multiplied with 15 and 3 35 is 105. So the 17 would be multiplied with 35. Is it? Now we'll just see what does it guess you. 21 2s are 42, 15 3s are 45 and 17 5s are 85, 17 3s are 51 and 8 59, 595 by 105, or it gives you 5 5 10 and 2 12, 9 and 1 10 and 4 14 and 4 18, 5 and 1 682 by 105. If you want, you can convert it into mixed fraction. Okay, if you convert into mixed fraction, 106 are 600, 5 6 are 30. So 6 times 630, I am left with 52 by 105. This would be the answer. In this way, we solve the addition. Okay. Similarly, in subtraction also, we convert it into like term and we subtract the fractions. This example you can see. If it is 5 whole 1 by 5 and 4 whole 3 by 4. For subtraction, also we have to convert it into like term, is it? 5 whole 1 by 5 minus 4 whole 4 by 3 by 4. 26 by 5 minus 19 by 4. Now 5 and 4 is not like term. We will convert into like term. We will get the LCM, that is 20. 5 4s are 20 to 26 into 4. Minus 4 5s are 20, so 19 into 5, is it? 104 minus 95 by 20 Now 9 by 20 will be the answer. So addition and subtraction we have to convert it into like term, but in division and multiplication we don't need to convert it. We can multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. We didn't need to convert it into like terms, is it? For multiplication, what do we do? Just 7 by 3 into 4 by 5. We don't need to convert it into LCM. We did no need to find the LCM of 3 and 5. What we have to do? We have to multiply numerator to numerator. 7 4s are 28 and 3 5s are 15. Done. If it is 7 by 3 into 9 by 14. So we can cancel it. 3 3s are 9, 7 2s are 14, or it gives you 3 by 2. Is it? So we use this for multiplication. Similarly for division, what we do? We write the fraction divided by 12 by 15 or 12 by 25. So what we do? 7 by 5 into 25 by 12. We know this is divide and remain as it is. This division turns into multiplication and divisor turns into its reciprocal. Then we'll reduce it. 5 5s are 25. Then it gives you 7 5s are 35 by 12. This is for division. So for today this much. Till then you keep practicing, and if there is any doubt related to fractions, you can ask me in comment box. Next day we will be solving some word sums related to fractions. Then we'll go to the ratio and proportion. Till then keep practicing. Thank you.